Are you a busy parent, like really busy, with 2 or more kids? Then we get it. Keeping tabs on what they're doing can feel overwhelming. That's where the Eyezy Family Kit plan comes in. With Eyezy Family Kit, you can monitor whatever your kids are doing on their Android or iPhone with one single plan. Eyezy Family Kit lets you keep tabs on up to 3 kids, and it doesn't matter what types of phones they use. Whether they all have Android or a mix of Android and iPhone, Eyezy Family Kit lets you monitor them all. To purchase Eyezy Family Kit, go to Eyezy.com, then enter your email address and follow the instructions to pick your plan. Once you've paid for your plan, you'll receive an email with instructions to install Eyezy Family Kit on your kids' phones. When you're ready to see what they've been up to, log into your Eyezy control panel. The single control panel gives you access to each of the phones you're monitoring. Just toggle between them to see their activity. And oh, you won't believe what you'll be able to see. It's all thanks to the innovative tools included in your plan, especially if you're monitoring Android. With Social Spotlight, you can read their private chats in apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, Snapchat, and more. With Pinpoint, you can see their current location on a map and view their previous ones. Magic Alert sends you a notification when they arrive at or leave any location, and it even lets you know if they've used a controversial word in chat or search, words like sex, drugs, or whatever you decide. Wondering who they're always on the phone with? Phone Analyzer can tell you. Concerned about who they're meeting up with? Check their events and notes with Plans Breaker. Web Magnifier shows you what websites they've visited, complete with a detailed bookmark view that shows you their favorites. And with Connection Blocker, you can block websites, Wi-Fi, and even apps. There's even a screen recorder that takes snaps of their phone as they use it. And a keylogger that captures every keystroke. And you get all the monitoring power you need without having to root or jailbreak their device. Eyezy Family Kit also offers various installation methods to help get you up and running, no matter what phone they're using. Just keep in mind that the available features vary based on which install method you choose. The Eyezy website has details on that. The best part? When you choose Eyezy Family Kit, you'll take comfort knowing we'll have your back with stress-free setup and help 24/7. Because, hey, you're like family to us. For all you need to know about Eyezy Family Kit, head to Eyezy.com.